Hello, everyone, and welcome. We're excited to talk to you today. We're here because IT has identified a project that we think can be of benefit to the whole company. The idea is that we are going to replace our existing Salesforce CRM with Microsoft Dynamics CRM. And we think the benefits to the company will be threefold. We are going to be able to reduce labor hours, reduce opportunities for human error in the data entry process, and thereby increase data integrity. And finally, we're going to be able to save a lot of money on licensing costs. And we'll dig into each of these a little bit. First is the opportunity to reduce labor hours. Currently, we spend anywhere from 2 to 5 hours a day manually transferring data from Salesforce to Microsoft Dynamics ERP. And this system, Microsoft Dynamics CRM, we can leverage a feature of it called Smart Connect, which will allow us to create a data mapping, which will then automatically transfer the data from CRM to ERP at the time a sale is closed and a project begins. And this will allow us to reduce those 2 to 5 hours of labor that we use manually entering it. And that gets us to our second point, which is by reducing points of manual entry, we'll have less opportunity for human error and less data integrity issues. This will have great downstream effects because what we find now is either A, we spend time on the back end fixing the data, or B, we don't catch it and a bad project goes out the door because of that data. And then not only do we have to spend labor hours fixing it, but we lose customer goodwill. So we think this is a great way to protect that customer goodwill. And then finally, we're going to save money on labor costs. Currently, we spend about $150 per month per user on Salesforce CRM, and Microsoft Dynamics is only $95 per month per user. So that will give us the ability to save up to $60,000 per year, which is a pretty major cost savings for us. I understand there could be some trepidation about starting on a new system, but I'm here to tell you that I think in the long term, you'll actually find it easier. In fact, what we found from talking to users is that they find Salesforce the most confusing system to use, and that's because it doesn't have the same UI as all our other Microsoft systems. Microsoft CRM will have that same UI. So while there'll be a little bit of a transfer period where we're training and figuring out what's going on, eventually, I believe that things will get better for everyone because they'll be working in a familiar UI. The data will be transferring seamlessly. There will be less labor overall. And best of all, we're going to save money. And that's money we can transfer on to you and the employees, making your jobs easier, making your lives easier, and just giving you a little money to take home. So we're very excited about this project, and we hope you are too. We're hoping to get started within the next few months here. So we're looking forward to speaking with you. Thank you for your time.